Okay, so for this workshop, we're going to talk about what can hold our projects together, okay? Assembling together. Once we've got our idea and we need to kind of build it, what can we do to, put it together? Now, a couple of the things that I have here, I'm not looking for this stuff to be only the thing that you use, okay? So for example, what I mean for that is hot glue gun. We're going to start here. I'm not looking for a project to be only done in hot glue, okay? There is, a limited amount of hot glue sticks, and I want everyone to be able to use this. So if you're looking as, you're putting your project together with hot glue, I'm not going to suggest that. Hot glue should be for stronger, stiffer stuff that might not easily glue down. So for example, like wood or anything that's a little bit tougher to actually get down that won't work with the craft glue, you can use that, okay? And use it sparingly. That means don't use a lot. The craft glue, very excellent glue, okay? Even with the regular Elmer's glue, they're perfect. If for some odd reason you can't, it's not gluing, it's fine. You know what you can do? You can open up the cap, and you can get a little popsicle stick. You could definitely dip it in with this, or I have toothpicks, and you could dip it in and put it in those spots. You're not having it dripping. Other things, if you would, I have tape. This is masking tape. We're not using duct tape, okay? This is masking tape. You could definitely put things together with this. If this is a part of your project that you want to be seen, that's fine. Things, when you're putting it together, I don't want to be able to see them, okay? It should be almost invisible and very seamless in a way when you put your stuff together. Another one is paper mache. Paper mache is liquid glue, okay? It's very goopy. I always call it baby snot because it's kind of like, reminds me of baby snot. How you do that is you take newspapers, you dip it in, wipe it off. You don't want it dripping, okay? This is not that kind of project. You take it and you lay it over, your project, and you basically cover the whole thing over. For this, you need about 3 to 4 layers, and you need time for it to dry, okay? So when you're working with this, where you're going to dry these things are on the bottom of the drying rack. Lots of different ways that you can put your project together. Yes, you can even use, wire. If you feel like, you wanted to put something together like, just like this, okay? You could totally wrap that. This could be your bonding thing that you put this together. So get creative, or you can use one of the supplies that I have here. And that's it for this workshop.